Hi, Fatima. I just wanted to give you a few comments on your paper. So, oops, this is actually the last paper. Give me just a second. Um, you still have a few of the bigger problems that were there with your paper are still there. So I'm not sure if you just only made the grammar corrections that I asked you to make, but I still feel that some of the bigger problems are still there. So I just wanted to go over them with you and help you to understand what I'm talking about. So here you have your introduction. I see that you've done pretty well with starting out with kind of the general thing, many people. Here's some explanation about that, and then getting down to the idea that money is not everything. So, introduction looks pretty good. However, you end your introduction that there are many reasons why money is not everything. So if I read this introduction, I would expect the next paragraph to be one reason why money is not everything. So what is something else that is more important or as important as money? That is what I would expect the next paragraph to be. And I don't see that in the next paragraph. Basically, this entire body paragraph seems almost to say the same thing that you already said in the introduction, that money isn't everything, that people are working too much, that they're full of pressure, um, that they're not satisfied, they're not happy because they're working so much. Actually don't understand the point. What is the point of this paragraph? Why is this paragraph different than this introduction? At the moment, it seems almost the same. So what is the topic sentence here? I don't understand the main topic of this paragraph, and I think that's a problem. Again, especially because I'm expecting it to be a reason that money is not everything. So maybe it's about happiness. I'm not sure. But we don't get that from the beginning, from the topic sentence. So I'm really missing out here on the Texas paragraphs. I'm missing a topic sentence, missing an explanation about that. Maybe this is the explanation, but without the topic sentence, it doesn't make sense. Um, the next paragraph, same thing. Way at the end of the paragraph, I get the idea that if I don't follow my dream and I only follow money, I might be missing out on opportunities. This seems like the topic of this paragraph. But again, it's not at the beginning of the paragraph. So remember, the topic sentence needs to be up here at the beginning of the paragraph. I should be clear. If you follow only money, you might miss out on your dream job, which would allow you to develop other aspects of your life. Okay, that could be a topic sentence. Again, this is focusing a lot on money and not enough on the how you would lose your opportunities or how your dream job would give you opportunities. What kind of opportunities? Um, we have on the other hand here, but really maybe this is an example, I'm not quite sure, of how, perhaps a dream job could allow you opportunities like communication with foreigners. But again, how is that different than a job where you could get good money? Maybe there's a job that allows you to have money and communication with foreigners. So you would have to kind of pull these things apart a little bit more. Okay. So again, when I come to the end, I would like to see those things again. When I get to this conclusion, I don't really see, oops, didn't mean to do that, sorry, a repeat of those two ideas. Again, I'm a little confused about what those two ideas were. Was it about being happy and then getting more opportunities? I think that's what they were about. I see the word happy here. I don't see anything about getting more opportunities. So at the moment, I'm not going to increase your grade because I still see a lot of problems in the areas of development and organization and that kind of thing. I do want to make sure that you saw my comments. I have comments here on the, on this paper, but you should also have comments by me. If we go to your rubric, you should also have somewhere a lot of feedback from me. So you might want to make sure that you're always reading that feedback. So again, I don't know if you need to spend a lot of time on this paper for now, unless you just really, really want to get a higher grade. You can try to make it more specific, like I said in this video. Otherwise, just keep these things in mind for the next writing assignments that we have. Okay? Thank you. Let me know if you have questions.